Bullish Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.018547 and $0.035033 by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach $0.014425 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.003297. Jasmy coin. Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets, and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and stretching out, while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this constant advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and cornered conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost conjecture for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy. Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Endo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, subsequently improving the customary method of abundance move, as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin. Jasmy is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary Document Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it is Worldwide Space Document Frameworks, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the impetuses of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Silo Centrapay, a SensNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and coordinated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy likewise fills in as a foundation that empowers information trade among organizations, as they expect to fabricate an exceptional time of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above demonstrate that the utilization instance of Jasmy both on-chain and in reality is serious areas of strength for that interest in the token won't fade yet rather increment over the long haul. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio. Be that as it may, this isn't monetary counsel as you're encouraged to investigate as needs be. Jasmy coin is at present worth $0.004122 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 1.45% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $14,943,899. Jasmy coin is at present position 136 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $199,686,909 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin. Jasmy. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Jasmy coin. Jasmy, value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.006182. Likewise with other digital forms of money, The ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.00577 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004946. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.010304. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Jasmy's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.008243 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.009067. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.014425 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.013189 and a low of $0.012365 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2026. In the event that Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.018547 with a base cost of $0.016486 and a typical cost of $0.01731. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.021432 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.020608 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a greatest value worth of $0.022668. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.025553. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.02679. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low